In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an account on Fresha, your go-to platform for booking appointments and managing reservations. Whether you're scheduling a haircut, spa day, or a fitness session, Fresha makes it a breeze to stay organized and connected. Let's walk through setting up your account so you can start taking advantage of all the fantastic services it offers. First, you'll want to head over to Fresha's website, which you can easily find by typing fresha.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once you're at the home page, take a quick scan to familiarize yourself with the layout, but let's focus our attention towards the upper portion of the screen. There, you'll see a login option at the top. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a menu where you can choose whether you're logging in as a business or as a customer. For today's purpose, since we're focusing on a customer account, you'll want to select the option labeled Fresha for Customers. This is an important step because it ensures you are directed to the correct login process, tailored specifically for booking appointments and services. Now that you've selected Fresha for Customers, you'll be presented with a few options for continuing. You have the flexibility to sign in with your Facebook account, Google account, or you can opt to manually create an account using your email. Each option has its own straightforward process, but for this demonstration, let's choose the email option. Once you decide to proceed with email, a new window will prompt you to enter your email address. Carefully type it in the designated box to ensure it's accurate, as this will be your primary contact point for all things Fresha. Afterward, click on the Continue button to move forward. Here's where the account creation becomes a bit more personalized. You'll be asked to provide your first name, last name, and create a secure password. It's a good practice to choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance your account security. Furthermore, you'll need to input your phone number. This step is vital as it allows Fresha to contact you about your appointments and services, making your user experience all the more seamless. With that information filled out, you're almost there. Double-check everything to make sure it's correct and then take a moment to review the terms and conditions indicated by the word Agree. Once you're ready, click the Agree button to finalize your registration. And there you have it. That's your account all set up on Fresha. It's really as simple as that. Now you're ready to begin exploring a world of convenient booking options right at your fingertips. Thanks for joining me today, and happy scheduling with Fresha.